Welcome, it's Ensign DIY Law, and today we're going to be opening and setting up this Lego bunny. It can also be two other options, but we're going to make it a bunny. It can be a seal or the other animal on the box.
The instructions you're seeing right here is the third animal. Let us know in the comments what you think it is. There's a great debate in the house. Now, regarding building the bunny, we're building this because right now it's Easter time in our area, and we wanted to add this one to our current Easter display. We also have past year's bunnies and builds on our channels, so be sure to check those out as well. Alright, so we're starting with bag one.
You'll see here, Dad has these buckets, and we pour the pieces into there, the big pieces into one, and then the little pieces into a different one. And it comes with this thing that you can use to get your Lego blocks off if you make a mistake. So it comes with a little heart that I think is really cool that you put right there, and I think it looks really good. Unfortunately, it is hidden inside of the bunny afterwards, but I think it's pretty cool that you can get a heart.
Now, as I continue to build this, I want to make sure you understand that this isn't going to be a piece-by-piece build walkthrough. This is going to be a page-by-page. So we're going to set it up, follow the instructions, and then I'll show you how it looks at each step at the end of each page. That completes bag one, and we had a few leftover pieces like you always do. So now it's time to dump bag two. As Sun pointed out, we used a little container trick to make sure everything's contained and not flying off or missing pieces. Let us know if you have any tips that you use while you're making any of your Lego sets or doing any of your Lego builds. Put the comments below so everyone can be a better brickhead. At this point, it's coming along nicely, and we actually have the bunny's body. So looking forward to finish his head in the next step and the accessories that go alongside him. This really has been a fun build. It isn't too complicated, so it's good for all ages. Plus, it can be part of our Easter display for years to come. So we love that it hits many aspects, and we want to know what you think or if you build any of the seasonal sets yourself.
So as you can see, this is the finished product. Put in the comments how you like it. And now we're going to start building the flower and the carrot.
So right now we're going to finish up this carrot, show you the finished product. We think he turned out awesome. If you like builds like this or other DIYs, be sure to subscribe.